Keep that bud. Rubber side down.
The awesome guys at Sports Bike Shop have allowed me to win a competition. I don't know quite how that word's right, but yes, so I won a track day over at Brands Hatch in a few days' time, and my beautiful Triumph has got a Yoshimura Alpha-T exhaust pipe, which is a bit fruity, and I just don't know if it's going to pass noise testing or not. So I bought myself a noise meter. Don't know if you can see that. I bought myself a noise meter, and I'm going to just try it out and see if my motorcycle is going to fall within the noise limits of the 102 decibel day over at Brands Hatch on MSV track days. Now, it's 102 decibels for that. They also do 105 decibel days, which would have been awesome if it was 105, but it's a road bike only day, so I'm guessing that's why it's got a lower limit. Yeah. So what I did was I looked up on the internet what the requirements are. It's a really windy day. Yeah, I looked up on the internet what the requirements were, and I think it's 50 centimetres away and around a 20-degree angle away from the exhaust pipe, so it's not like looking right down the bore of the exhaust pipe. Let's see what this thing does. Okay, so at the moment it's pumping out about 88 decibels, assuming that this is calibrated correctly, which is okay, but I've got to rev this to 6,500 RPM according to the ACU guideline. Yeah, so I've got to get this up to 6,500 RPM. So one of the reasons I've fixed this camera to the bike is so that I can use it to see what this is doing while I'm concentrating on what the rev counter's doing. I don't know whether it's going to be loud or not, but let's find out, eh? I don't know what number that went to. I really don't. I'm going to try changing this. I haven't worked out how this one works. I'm going to... oh man, that went to 106.7 decibels. Oops. Ah, bollocks. One of the things I really wanted to test out at this track day was these new rear sets that I've got on the bike. I've raised the foot pegs up, so I'm not going to be moving them out. Yeah, this is going to be a problem. I don't quite know what to do. I love this Yoshimura Alpha-T exhaust pipe, but if I can't use it anywhere, what's the point in it, you know? Is it time to put it on eBay? Find something a bit quieter? I don't know. I've just about got time, I think, if I'm lucky, maybe, to find something more suitable. But my problem is that with these rear sets, I can't, because I went with the Daytona rear sets instead of the Triumph rear sets, I need something with a link pipe that's got a little bit of adjustability in it. And yeah. Damn it! Ah. Right, so anyway, if you've got a Yoshimura Alpha-T exhaust pipe and you want to do a track day and it's a 102 decibel track day, no hope. Absolutely no fucking hope, mate. It's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. So yes, if you've got Yoshimura, get shot. Get shot. You can't use it on a track day. It's not even going to get through 105 decibel track day. So yeah, get rid of it. Get rid of it. Damn it. I like that exhaust pipe. What am I going to do? I need to find myself an exhaust pipe, and I don't even know if I can afford one. Because otherwise I've got to lose these rear sets and put the standard exhaust pipe back on. And I know, with the standard rear sets, the standard foot pegs, it grounds out. I am planning on getting the suspension fettled with when I get over there, because it's a free track day. I'm not paying for the track day. I may as well spend some money on getting the bike set up. So I am planning on that. That doesn't sort out the problem of the noise. It just sorts out the problem of the rear sets potentially. And I don't even think with the suspension set up for a track day that the rear sets on the standard height and stuff will not ground out. Damn it. Right, hope you found this useful, helpful and informative and all that crap. Not all of my videos are about me listening to my exhaust pipe with a microphone. Some of them are about me actually riding bikes. You'll see a track day video coming up soon, hopefully, of me riding this machine with a quieter exhaust pipe. But there's also other stuff I do. I go visit castles and all that sort of stuff. There's fantastic stuff on my channel. You might find you like it. So if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button and come back and have a look at some of my other stuff that I've done. If you did enjoy this video though, please give it a little thumbs up. That would be blooming awesome. And yes, if you've got the Yoshimura Alpha-T, have you been able to make it quieter? That would be fantastic to hear if you've managed to find a solution, because I really don't want to have to spend out 500 quid or whatever on another exhaust pipe. I don't quite know what to do here. But yes, and if you didn't like the video, yeah, give it a little thumbs down. That's all cool, we don't mind, that's fine, indeed you do. And it's grotty, it's raining, ugh, summer, hey, yay. But yes, whatever you do, please drop in a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know whether you've got Yoshi, whether you've got an audio solution for this. Maybe I can just punch out the noise tester, I don't know. But yeah, oh damn it. Oh, expenses. This track day was free. I know, let's spend £500 on an exhaust pipe. Damn it. Anyway, you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. See you soon, folks. Okay, seeing as we've done the Triumph, I can't be bothered to get out of the garage. But yeah, let's find out what noise this little Moto Guzzi is making with its silly exhaust pipes. Now, because we're going to get some echo and all that sort of stuff, because we're in the garage, it's not going to be a true representation of what this bike's kicking out, and because it's got twin pipes, I've put the sound meter at the back of the bike as opposed to down the side sort of thing. So it's, I don't know what's going to show, but it's going to be noisy, babies. Okay, so that's 90 odd decibels with it at tick over. I can't remember what he said for twins for its rev limit, so I'm just going to give it some rev. That's obnoxious. $125 decibels. Oh dear, oh dear.
To keep that bike rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.